Start your live translation in a few steps. Before you start, pair your Bluetooth microphone. Connect your microphone to the phone before you open the app. That's the only way it's detected correctly. Step 1. Sign into the app. Sign in with your user ID and password. You'll find both on the back of your device or in your welcome email. Step 2. Choose your voice. In your profile, pick the AI voice your guests will hear, male or female. Step 3. Open the waiting room. Your guests scan the QR code with their smartphone camera and join the waiting room. Step 4. Start the tour and turn on your mic. Tap Start Tour and switch on your microphone. Your live translation is now broadcasting. Step 5. Your guests are now live. Everyone hears you in real time. AI translated into their own language, right on their phone. Don't forget End the Tour. Always end the tour manually with End Tour when you're done. Otherwise, the stream keeps running and costs continue. Get started. my-elysium.app.